Hello guys and welcome back to EV with Rafiq. So today we are here at Chetak Experience Center. Let's go in and find out what all are the vehicles they have and about the vehicles. So let's go in. Once you come in, you can see this beautiful looking bike over here, which is placed here. Just check out the branding and everything. Let me show you this first to you. Designed to be loved. Beautiful pictures. And when you see the vehicle, this is how it looks. Let me show you the right round of it. So they made a stunning design. They said that came back with the electric version, which is really great. And this version is completely metal body. The body of this is completely metal. Okay, it's a metal body. And this is the seating position of this. Okay, it looks soft. And this is the dashboard over here. And this, my friends, this small thing over here, wait, let me show you from that side. That's the key. When you come this side, okay, so this is a footrest. It's a good one. This is a side stand. Good one. When you come over here, this is a back. I love the blacks. See how close this comes like this. The tail lights, great. This design is matched over here. You can see over this. And when I go down over here, see, yeah, this is a rear setup. I guess the motor is mounted directly here, I think so. This is a motor mounted directly to the Chetak, to the rear wheel. Yes, I guess the motor is mounted over here. The gear system. This is a wheel. When you come this side, over here, this are the keys. So beautiful design. These are actually wireless keys. It's completely sensor based. So if someone even steals your bike, without these keys, they can't turn it on. Okay, the turn on switch is over here. So when you look over here, you have these buttons for this. In these buttons over here, you can see this is for the to change the modes. This is the indicator button. This is the reverse button. This is the drive button. Okay, and this is for the dicky to open the trunk. Okay, to open the trunk. Okay, and this side when you check out, you have a horn, indicator, headlight, and flash. Okay, and these are some sleek design mirrors on the both sides. Okay, this is in the front look. Looks like a scooter, feels like the future. The tag is amazing. Let's go check out the history of the vehicle. When you see the history, here it started in 1972. An icon is born, Chetak. Then in 1976, currently available in foreign countries only. Then there was a starting pictures when the production happening. Then when we move forward in 1980s, you can see all of these in 1981, then 1983, 5 lakh units sold in 1983, just in 11 years. Then Hamara Chetak in 1987, still shine bright, waiting period still over a year. Then here you can see a few more pictures, and the mag is the world's largest selling scooter, now has a dazzle new look. The new Chetak was launched. Then when you move forward, a year to remember, in 1999, electric start innovation in the market. Then in 2004, 2 becomes 4 cleaning, running more effective 4-stroke engines for Chetak. Then in 2005, but lives in a milestone of Heart of Indian. Then in 2014, heart beating together, pumping life into the idea of an electric future for the icon. The Chetak starts a new journey. Then, in 2019, Hamara Kal. In 2019, Chetak launched the electric revolution. It's began. This is the electric revolution. You guys can see. In red color, this looks beautiful. Design sleek. It's modern looking, complete modern looking vehicle. You can compare it to anything, it stands out. The stand, the quality used, obviously the premium quality of the Chetak, they obviously use the best. This is the front of the red Chetak design. When you come to the headlight, these have an LED headlight with Chetak branding on it. How cool is it, right? And when you move over here, you can see a Chetak, and this design continues in the rear, and to the indicators you still have the design continuing over here. Okay, Premier, you can see. Okay, and this are MRF Zapper tires, tubeless tires with disc braking to that. Okay, with suspension in the front. You can see a suspension over here. Cool. Now when you come over here, this is a seating type. Okay, this look like this over here, and that design continues from front to back for the indicators, and this design continues, and ending up with the Chetak branding over here, and for the number plate. Crazy. This vehicle is absolutely beautiful, guys. You can see over here. Now let me show you the blue color. This blue variant is the one which I liked. The color looks so good on it. You can check out. See, I'll give you a long shot. See, it looks so beautiful, guys. See the color, see the variant, how it looks. It looks so good. In the side, in this front, with the seating. If you can see the seat color, that looks amazing. It completely matches this color. Matches the colors. Look at the seat quality. It looks so good. And cushioning, if you ask me the cushioning, see, it has a very good cushioning. Like very good cushioning. The seat cushioning, you can see, it's good. Like it's very good. You can sit comfortably on this. And start button is over here. On off button to the left, sorry, to the right. And this is a digital meter. I've shown you that. And when you come for this back, this looks like this, the blue one. Okay. Now I'll show you how to turn on this vehicle. It's very easy. Okay, you need to just hold the brake and press the switch only once. Once you press the switch, the vehicle will turn on automatically, and this is a digital meter you can see. When the meter turns up, here you can see the speed, you can see the range, you can see the battery percentage in this form, okay? And this is in neutral right now, which means it's in still, okay? You can't drive it. Here top, you can see the time, okay? Now here in this side, you can see neutral, you can see other modes also. To change the modes, you have to just hold the brake and to the mode button once. You saw how to turn on this vehicle, right? To change the modes, you have to remove the stand. You have to get it down, then hold the brake and click this button. Then you can change the modes. You can go for 2 modes and you can go even reverse. To hold the reverse, just hold this brake tight and this R button. If you hold it for long, then the reverse will be activated, then the vehicle can go back. Okay. Now I'll show you from front with the headlight turned on how it looks. So this is a headlight, okay. When you just turn on the vehicle, this will start. To turn the headlight, real headlight on, my brother will turn the switch on. You can see a switch over there of a light. See, this turns on. It's a bright, guys. It's a bright light, a very bright light. Okay. Now I'll show you how to open the front one. Okay. To open that, just click this button. Okay. You can see the button over here. Just click once, and this is the open. So you can see over here, you have a first aid kit and toolbox over here. This is a USB for charging our mobile phones and everything over here. It has good flip, clean, and to some storage small unit over here. You can store papers and everything and close it back. Okay, it's done. And then here you can see this Chetak branding over here. This branding, if you just click once, this comes up. This is to handle, like you can hook something over here and you can store a bag over here. It can take up to 3 kgs of the weight maximum. Okay, so let's put it back. See, let's put it back. Done. Next, now to open the boot space, you have to just hold the trunk button for long. It opens under 3 seconds, 2 seconds. See, once you open it, you can come closer. See, you can see over here This comes with the inbuilt charger. Okay. In this bag, first aid kit, good spacing with the light over here, and this is a charging socket. Okay. This will close like this. Waterproof. Khatam. It's clean. So this is how it looks from inside, and this is a material for the body. It's a plastic, good grade, high grade plastic. It's good, and this is also good. See, you can see over here, it feels good. So this is a charger, you can see over here. See, it has the buttons and everything over here. You can just change it for the adapter. This is an adapter, extra adapter if you want to. Over here. Now let's close it. Smooth. See how smoothly this closes. Done. The beeping is stopped. Okay. Good. Next is to the left side. Okay. The left side of the rear brake. You can see a switch over here. This button. What is this? You just pull it and press it. What this will do is this will activate the parking. Like even if you're in a slope something, the vehicle doesn't go. Okay. This is locked. To unlock it, just pull it. The plug comes up and done. See again. Close. Plug. Okay. What's this? So pull this again. It comes up and it's done. Okay. This is how it looks. And the lights and everything, you saw this side, the indicator button. Okay, let me show you the indicators. If I click the indicator, okay, see, in the rear it looks like this. It goes in a series form. Okay, let me show you from the front. Okay, the front indicator goes like this. It just buzzes on off, on off, on off. The other indicator, see, you can see the other indicator goes like this. If we go to the rear, you can see this comes up like this. Okay, you can see how the series pattern goes. Okay, now let me show you how the brake lights work. If you click, see, you can see the lights turning on and off. It's so good, guys. It's in the daylight, so you can't see it properly, but trust me, this is looking damn good. Okay, the indicators and everything. Off. That's it. So to turn off the vehicle, this switch, okay, you can see over here, press twice. Done. Off. Off. Okay, this is about the vehicle. Okay, I love the keys, guys. You say whatever, but the keys, see the quality. This quality is hard. It's good. Sensor, switch, everything, it's very good. See, if you press the key, you can see the lights. See, if you press this button, it's detecting the vehicle. Okay, every vehicle has its individual key. So wireless key, just press it, it detected. So beside every Chetak you can see a tab. Okay, beside every Chetak you can see the tabs. Okay, let me show you what's in the tab. So in this iPad over here, okay, so in this iPad, this is the iPad. Once you go to Chetak exclusive, you can see welcome all to know about Chetak. Let's click this. This is about the history of the Chetak. Okay. If you press continue, it will come over here. You can select any language you want. Let's go with English. You can see the colors over here. Okay. They have colors. These colors. See, you can select red, black, and hazelnut. This looks good, like pearlish color. And blue. This is a blue. You can see the urban color. Okay, these are premium colors are 4. For urban colors are 2. Citrus Rush. And next is Cyber White. Okay, let's select Citrus Rush. Then press continue. See, here they have 2 models, premium and urban. If you go, there is a different variations, premium versus urban. I'll show that. Let's go with the premium first. Okay, in this premium, if I click continue, these are the features over here. Okay, the range is 90 kilometers in eco mode. In sports mode, it is 80 kilometers. Okay, with battery capacity of 2.8 kilowatt hour. Top speed is 63 kilometers. Right. Next, if you see the batteries, they are using a lithium-ion battery, 50-volt battery pack, 57 Ah. Very good. Next, these are all the specifications. You can see the transmission, single speed, Then braking, front disc, rear drum, combinational braking system, very good. Then suspension you can see over here. Then max throttle is 20 Newton meters per, and the RPM is 1950 RPM. Okay. The motor they are using is a 3-phase permanent magnet synchronous motor. Okay. This PMS motor. About these motors also I'll explain in the future. Okay. Then the electric system you can see the body is steel completely. Headlamps LED, very good. Then the indicators are LED. Safety you have, tire size, weight, everything. See the weight is 132 kgs. Okay. Telematic supports 4G connection, Chetak app, driving modes, driving forward and reverse. Okay. Then storage you have under seat is 18 liters. Glove box is 4 liters, which I showed you in the front. This is under the seat. Then accessories you can see USB phone charger. I showed you this also. Then keys is a remote key. Now if I click next, it's take few seconds. Then you can see a 3D model of the vehicle. Okay, you can see the 3D model, the 360 degrees model of the vehicle, how it looks. To change color. Now let me show you the red color. See, it takes some time. Yeah, now the red color Chetak is over here. Okay, now let's go change the color to the urban ones. The urban ones are like this color, looking very good. Now let's click continue. This urban side that looks dashing, guys. Like the color is very popping. See here the motor, everything exact. It looks exact. Ditto. The foot pegs, the dashboard, and everything. Okay. Now, if you see unique high-tech features over here, it's saying me to click over here. If I click it, you can see over here. Key features, soft touch, unique headlamp, sequence blinkers, stay connected. Now when you come back, you can see number 1 quality. These are the quality. Click on the button to know more. If I click here, is a full metal body. You can see.
The Chetak has a superior full steel body.
Steel body. Now if I click exit, now let's click number 3. Okay. Now let's go for number 3. If I click 3, driving transmission.
The Chetak has no belts or chains. A direct drive gearbox from the
I mentioned exactly. Here is a motor,
shows
a gearbox,
free operation while providing the highest possible efficiency in drive and regeneration.
Great. Let's exit it. It's done. Now let me show you the 4th feature. What is the 4th feature? 4th is premium finish exterior.
The Chetak has no visible nuts and bolts. All you see is the high-quality painted surface and tight joints, which is both sleek and premium.
Let's click exit. Now, ask me later. Let's go with the 5th one. Full metal body. Obvious, it's a steel body completely.
The Chetak has a superior full steel body, which ensures maximum strength in case of accidental impacts. It also ensures there is no rattling sound while you ride on bumpy or uneven surfaces.
Let's go back. Now let's go to 360. Now you can see the 2. Let's click 2. Water resistance, which is very important. You can see now.
The Chetak is IP67 water and dust resistant.
IP67.
This means you can ride your Chetak in the rain and tackle water-filled potholes without any worry.
Okay, let's go back. Now, number 1 technology, you can see the technologies again. The charging socket is over here. See, about the charge anywhere.
The Chetak is designed to be charged at any domestic 5 ampere electric plug point. So, if you can charge your mobile, you can charge your Chetak as well.
It's simple. Now, then you can see the charging plug over here. Wall charge.
You can buy the Chetak wall charger for your parking slot. The wall charger unit has multiple safety features beyond a regular electric socket and secures your cable in a way that it cannot be disconnected by anyone else. You can rest or work peacefully knowing that your Chetak is getting charged.
Great. Now let's go back. Now let's see what's the 1. Intelligent battery. Where is the battery? You check it out now. Here is a battery pack.
The Chetak uses an intelligent lithium-ion battery
BMS
which
unit.
protects itself from overcharging and manages current fluctuations. The inbuilt intelligence also helps in getting the best performance based on your riding style, road conditions, and environmental parameters.
Now let's see the 2. What is 2? Battery cooling system, which is very important to give us a long life and to save us the battery. See.
The Chetak's lithium-ion battery is cooled by 2 fans. The
Down.
fans create a smart airflow that keeps your battery cool in all weather conditions. This
Great.
ensures
Now let's go back and let's hear 3, 4. Let's 3. Battery safety, another important feature.
the lithium-ion battery is enclosed
See.
within a metal frame.
It's metal frame.
Protects the
Yes.
battery from damage or theft.
Let's go back. Let's 4. Battery life. This is very important, guys.
Chetak's lithium-ion battery is designed to last for 70,000 kilometers.
70,000
with 70%
kilometers.
residual capacity. After 70,000 kilometers, the range of the vehicle will reduce to 66 kilometers in eco mode and 60 kilometers in sport mode.
Now let's see the premium versus urban, the differences. So when you compare the premium versus urban, to compare it, in the front you have disc in premium, in urban you have drum, okay? Then seating fabric is stitching with premium fabric, it's non-stitching with regular fabric, this is regular. Then body color, this is metallic, this is solid colors. Then floor mat, grey plus bricks, black mat. Then bezel, stainless silver plating, this is silver plating, Siberian silver plating. Then wheel colors, saddle grey and satin black, this is only matte black. Others, all other specifications are the same. These are the only few features between premium and urban. Let's go back, okay? You saw the colors and everything and urban and everything. Continue, you can see the same specifications, guys, same specifications. To look at the vehicle, let's click next, then it will take some time. Then you can see how beautiful it looks in a 360 degrees. Number 1, comfort. So you can see the comfort points over here. Let's see the seating, which I showed you, which was important. Check the utmost storage.
The Chetak has ample room in the under-seat storage for a half-face helmet under the seat. In the front glove box, you have a USB slot to charge your mobile phone on the go.
Very good. Now you can see the front too. Stability.
The combination of a low center of gravity, large 12-inch alloy wheels, and central placement of the battery ensures that the Chetak provides a stable and balanced ride.
So, to wrap it up, you saw all the features, all the specifications, all the models. They have 2 variations, as you saw. It's beautiful, guys. The price is 1,50,000 change, okay? And for this legendary vehicle, it's worth it. Like, absolutely worth it, you can say. Complete steel body, center battery is placed in the center to maintain the center of gravity, and the mass is divided equally. The motor, it's completely like geared motor to the vehicle itself. No chain, no belt, okay? And the cooling systems you saw, there are 2 fans for the battery to cool it, which is really important. You know, lithium batteries, if they get hot, they go firework on you. So it's very important to do that. And after 70,000 kilometers, as you have seen, if the vehicle, like the range of the vehicle decreases, which means in eco mode it can go up to 60 kilometers, and in sport mode it will go up to 50 kilometers. But 70,000 is a very long time, okay? You can use it very smoothly till then. It's comfort, guys. In the upcoming video, I'll show you how it feels, how it feels to ride in the city traffic. All the bumps and everything, how it takes in the real life. I'll show that video also in upcoming video. So this is about this complete legendary Chetak, as you can see over here. I love this vehicle, guys. Like, it's beautiful, like completely beautiful. There's 1-2 things, like the displays, still they need to at least increase the brightness so that, you know, it can be visible properly, okay? That's it. So this vehicle is absolutely beautiful, guys. Performance and everything, I'll show about that in our upcoming video. So this was all about the Chetak and the store. And check out the address of this place in the description. I'll link a complete address over there, okay? Because and to search on Google, you have to search www.chetak.com, okay? Or Chetak Test Experience Center. There are 3 places: Begumpet, Kukatpalli, and in Kachiguda, okay? These 3 places you have. Don't search Chetak showrooms or everything near me, because it will take you to some other places, okay? These 3 places, I'll link all the locations down below. You can go check out wherever which is near to you and go there. So this was about the Chetak. So if you want to see about the test road conditions, how it performs and everything, then go subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. I'll upload that video very soon. Thank you for watching.